capable of producing damaging winds,
Okay,
large hail,
here we go.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 85, effective until 01:00 a.m. Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Maryland: Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Carroll, Hartford, Howard, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore, and York, Pennsylvania, and the following: Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Patapsco River, Chester River, and Eastern Bay. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.